Hello mathematicians, this is going to be a quick introduction to slope and rate of change. So how do we know if something is steep? We know that when we're walking up a steep hill, we really have to work hard. And when we're walking up a flat hill, we don't have to work that hard. If we look at the stairs in this picture, it looks like every time we take a step, we have to go up a lot, whereas in the picture on the right, we don't actually go up that much every step. So that kind of leads us to the introduction of slope. What does slope mean? It means how high do we have to go to get that far. When something is really steep, we have to take big steps up every time we take one step forward. So if we divide how much we went up by how much we went forward, we get a big number because we have a big step up divided by a little step forward. When we have a staircase that is not very steep, each step up here is only going to be a tiny little step, and it might be a bigger step forward. So if I have a little number on top and a big number on the bottom, that's not going to be very steep, because every step I take up is only little compared to how many steps I take forwards. That's how we measure the slope. Another way to say it is, what is the rise, how much we go up, divided by the run, how much we go forward. Rate of change is going to be measured the same way. Sometimes they'll make it tricky by having zigzag lines, but they'll always ask you to go from one point to another point. That's always the same with slope and rate of change. They're going to tell you to pick one point and another point and figure out what is the rate of change or the slope between those 2 points. If you want to get the rate of change between this point and this point, it's the same as the staircase. How many steps up do I need to take? And how many steps over do I need to take? That is my slope or my rate of change. Think of it as a staircase. I'm going to have to take 2 steps up for 3 steps over. It doesn't matter that there are other points in the middle. If they're asking you about these 2 points, that's all you're concerned with. And that's how you measure slope and rate of change.